Mantis shrimp possess extraordinary color vision, sensing ultraviolet and infrared with multi-channel eyes far beyond human capability today. In the deep, the anglerfish uses a bioluminescent lure to attract prey in the endless ink, guiding its ambush. The nautilus exhibits precise shell growth and buoyancy chambers, offering clues to ancient stability and ecological resilience. Blue whales migrate across oceans, feeding on krill with filter plates, embodying the massive efficiency of marine ecosystems. Hydrothermal vents host microbes that extract energy from chemicals, supporting dense communities of tube worms and astonishing adaptations.